Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri, guys. So in today's video, we are looking into our cycle of growing 200 broiler chickens, and this is how they look. They turned 1 week in the past 2 days, so they are now 9 days, so which means they are 1 week and 2 days. They're still eating starter as their feed, and then they are also drinking fresh water from the tap. Make sure that you're giving them clean water all the time, and make sure they always have access to what feed. So let me just quickly tell you what I've done today. Unfortunately, I didn't shoot content when I was doing that, but we actually switched the drinkers. So remember, they were drinking from the small drinkers. Now we switched to bigger ones. So these are 12-liter drinkers from Poltech. You actually were given these drinkers as a gift from Poltech. So there's a 12-liter drinkers that they're drinking from, and then they're also eating from the small feeders. But we're gonna be switching these feeders probably in the next few days. Yeah. So one thing that I want to update you guys, that now since they are like 1 week, how do you see that your chicken are growing? You see them by developing white feather on their body skin. So one of the reasons why my chicken looks so dead is that I was not actually around most of the time, so it took me time to actually remove the newspapers because they were actually dirty. So that's why you see them looking like dirty like this. So but anyway, everything looks good, everything looks fine. So far we have lost 4 chicks, so we are sitting at 4% mortality rate. Remember that your mortality rate must always be at 5%. No, actually we're not sitting at 4%, we're sitting at 2.5% because we are raising 200, not 100. So if we were raising 100, yes, we're going to be sitting at 5, but now we're sitting at 2.4 since we are growing 200 broiler chicks. So far everything looks good. Let's go to the other house. I quickly just want to tell you a story, guys. So the other day I was driving. As I took in a drive, I passed this farm that they sell chickens. I go into that farm to check what's going on. I'm actually looking for full grown chickens because I had a lot of customers who were looking for chickens, so I thought I could just buy and quickly resell them. When I was there, I found that there was a lot of wood shaving that was outside, and it was wet due to rain. I asked the guys what they want to do with it, and they said they want to throw it away. And I said, can you throw that sawdust in my bucket? They said yes. And look at my broiler house now. So I was like, cool, put it behind my bucket since you're gonna throw it away. And the guys was like, okay, you can take it for free. Then I took the wood shaving for free, and then when I got here, I actually put it inside my house. So those are the bags that we couldn't eat, and we still have like 4 bags that we didn't actually open, and then I still also wet inside those bags. So we took them in, and then we actually put it on the ground so that it can dry off. So even when you scratch it, you can see that the one underneath is still wet. But yeah, we're gonna be using this. We are just waiting it to dry off, and we're gonna use it. So I've saved a lot of money because 1 bag of this wood shaving they sold it for 50 rand, and imagine I got it for free. So since today is the 31st, this is the first cycle that we're gonna be having, or this is the first chickens that we're gonna sell in at Makwala Agri in 2024. So the cycle started in 2013, it's gonna end in 2024. So yeah, after 4 weeks, we're gonna be making money from these baby chicks over here. So with regard to this cycle, I didn't spend much money. I only spent money on chicks. Remember that I got free feed from the government that I never used, so it's the feed that I'm using right now, and the wood shaving as well that I got for free because it was wet. Now I'm drying it off, so I'm also going to be using it here. So my only expense, it's electricity to heat up my chickens, and as well as my day old chicks that I bought. So far everything looks okay, everything looks good. So right now it's during the day. In Limpopo it's very hot, guys, so I didn't switch any light, and I've actually even removed the plastic from the side, but you can see that the temperature in this house, it's really cool for my chicks to actually relax. So guys, since we're gonna be crossing over today, it's the 31st of December. I just want to say have a good crossover night, bafethu. Parla khawla ngwa gabotse. Ga makwala agree wa ra leboga for the support. Since today it's the last day of 2023, I just want to say thanks for the support, and let's go into 2024 and make some money. Those who want to start, just start, bafethu. Thanks for the support. Remember not to skip any ad when you watch my videos. That's how I actually make money from YouTube. Someone asked me how much money I make on YouTube. I'm not making much money. Tango.